Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google AI Studio for voice generation. Now, quick one guys, come to your Google Chrome, then search for Google AI Studio. Go ahead and open up Google AI Studio, then open up this first website over there. Now click on Get Started and make sure that you're logged in using your Google account. Now, once you're logged in, click on this feature over here. Okay, you can either click on the search, or if the features open up over here, select speech and music. So we shall select speech and music, and then we shall select this free model, which is the Gemini 3.1 Flash TSS model. We don't select these ones because these ones are paid for. So we shall click for this one, and then here we need to select our quick templates. Okay, so I'll click this one, everyday template, and we are good to go. Now what you're going to do is quite simple. You can then come over here and input your speech that you want to be generated basing on what you want to do. Okay, then after clicking on that, you can go ahead and click on this play icon over here, and then the speech will be obviously generated for you. So basically guys, those are the simple steps you can use to do this. So thanks for watching guys. We shall meet once again.